How to buy STARGATE token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description box. As you can see, before going and buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following their updates about this token. As you can see, this token, it's available on the screener. So if you want to be or if you want to buy it. Now before that, this is much important, the liquidity here are locked by 99%. That's good. That's mean your investment in the safe place. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address came under the Solana network. Now open your wallet, Phantom wallet. For that, I will use this wallet. Click on swap. Make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Click here, paste the token address. So this is our token. Now click on it. Now after that, what you need to do, just type how much you want to buy, and here you will be able to see how much you receive. After that, select the provider, for example Jupiter, but make sure to read all of that information here. And after that, click on swap, and you will be able to redirect it to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face any issue, just go back to this page, switch the slippage from here or custom it, because the most of the issues came from the slippage, and after that you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy STARGATE token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.